Hi ho guys and gals, Jeff King here, back again here in the Den of Tools. You know what sucks? Coming back to your storage unit or storage spot after 4 months and finding your car dead. Well, TOPDON luckily managed to send me this. Out of the blue asked if I needed one, and I was headed down there and I'm like, you know, I just might. And we've seen lots of these jump starters, but they got a deal going on right now where they're letting this go. I think it's $50. We'll have the link and everything down below. Well, thanks again for them sending this. Really saved my fuzzy backside. Let's see if it'll work, if it'll do what they say it'll do. All right, here we got the TOPDON. Nice case here, good solid case. Anyway, we just open it up. It's dead simple. You've probably seen these before. This is a battery, a brick of batteries basically. And we've got inputs there. And the inputs are gonna let you charge it. And there's your input right there. And then we've got right down here, these are your outputs. That's going to hook up to your jump starter. These are your USBs, quick charge, and a regular one. Let's see what else it has. I think that may be it. Oh, they do have a light on it so you can see how bright everything is. Just pretty simple. Again, that's our input. Or sorry, that's our input for charging the device. Make sure that matches up right there. That's where you plug in the jump starter, quick charge, regular charge, and that's pretty much it. And you got the displays right here to tell you how much power you have. So let's do this. It can only go in one way. You can't do it wrong. All right, positive is connected. Yes, that's screwed up. Why? It's a BMW. We're on a negative here. We come over here, we press this. And we've got some juice. All right, give it a go. All right, and of course, the other benefit of these things is they're just simply battery banks. We got a DeWalt power cord. By the way, I love these cords. They just last and last and last. Plug in your phone. Let's see if it'll charge it. Make sure the power's on. There we go. Look at that. And we're getting some juice. And it'll charge your phone. It'll charge anything USB. You can plug it all in. There's a second port. Not a quick charge port, but a second port you can run that off of. So, you know, you can charge your car, you can charge your phone. We did a jump start on this. We did one on an 8-cylinder. And you will note this thing was at full. I knocked a bar off. So you could probably get 3 or 4 jump starts off of a charge. It sucks a lot of juice out of these. This little technology they got is something else, but it does eat up the batteries. So make sure you know that's the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna charge it again. Charging cable it uses is a USB-C, which is what normal people use, Apple. And you just plug it in. Right over here, I showed you that before. It's just that simple, just that easy. I gotta tell you, I love these semi-rigid cases. This is a top shelf case that I've seen. I just like the design. Maybe I'm being silly.
All right, we're going to take a look at the listing on Amazon here real quick. So we got the TOPDON 2000A peak battery jump starter. They say up to 8-liter gas, 6-liter diesel engines. I used it. I did not use it on my diesel. I didn't want to disconnect both batteries and do all that kind of stuff. But the on the BMW there, that is an 8-cylinder, not the biggest one out there, but you know, finicky as all heck. You know how BMWs can be. It did fine with that. You know, and that's what this is. It's a no flash, just pure business kind of thing. And everything I've seen from TOPDON so far, if you saw the battery tender thing we had the other day, that thing's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And this thing, it does exactly what it says it's going to do. And now the price here, $70. Now, here's the deal. That's a sale price, bringing it down from $100, but TOPDON gave me a coupon code for you all. I'm going to put it down in the link down below the video here in the details, and that should take it down to $50. If you have any problems with using the code, let me know, but that should be able to take, and at $50 for what I call these kind of get out of jail free kind of devices. It's like a fire extinguisher. It's like you don't think about it all the time, but it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And I gotta tell you, these things have saved our bacon a couple times. Jump starts 99% of vehicles. boost mode starts a dead battery in 2 seconds. It did exactly that. The tech they got in these things is ridiculous. It just back in the day, I remember hauling big things of jumper cables around. I mean, people, how many times has somebody come up to you and been like, hey, you got any jumper cables? And they take up a ton of space and they wear over time. This thing is just smart and easy, and I can use it for other stuff, and that's what really makes me happy. Is I hate being invested in stuff like this that has one single use, because then it just sits there, and if it gets used, great, but if not, as a battery pack, you're going to use it all the time. Trust me, you're going to find uses for it. And the emergency flashlight. Honestly, that's one thing. A lot of these, you've seen me joke with the big power stations, they've got a light on them. That's ridiculous. For this, if you got a flat tire, you got a flashlight right there, and it's not big. It's legit like a slightly oversized flashlight, but it does what it's supposed to do. Plus, it's got that great SOS feature. I can just count on one finger the amount of time people probably use that. But still, as a flashlight, I think it's quite usable, honestly. Is it the fanciest thing out there? No. Does it do exactly what it says it does? Yes. They sent this to me for review. And I gotta say I like it. So anyway, let me know what you think down below.
Well, there you go. TOPDON, for the second time in 3 months, has saved our bacon. We used the battery tender kind of thing before. Still love that. Brought that with us on the trip. Used that on the RV battery, and it rejuvenated the RV battery. I should do a video on that. And here we got the TOPDON Jump Surge, and it jump started that lazy BMW. Now, that's the truck behind. Where's the BMWs over there? There's the BMW. Anyway, thanks for sending this over. I'll put links and everything down below again. And let me know what your favorite jump starter kind of thing is. Let me know if you don't, but that's a better question. Let me know if you don't have one of these in your vehicle. And I want to hear why. Because at this point, I put one in every vehicle we own, because why not? Anyway, that's all I got for you. You all take care. God bless. And as always, wait. Say it.
Shine on.
Shine on. I put you on the spot.
I was waiting for you.
Take care, all.